Hello guys, welcome back to Rika's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make chicken gizzard in an easy and soft way. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. So the first step, clean the gizzards very nice and place them in a medium bowl. Then add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, salt to taste, then squeeze 1 lemon, and lastly add about 2 tablespoons of oil and mix everything well. Then afterwards, place a pan on top of the fire and add the gizzards in the pan with enough water and let them cook in a medium heat till the gizzards are completely soft. While the gizzards are cooking, you'll be adding more water because the gizzards take time to become soft, and let them continue cooking till the gizzards are soft and the water has dried up completely. Once your gizzards are soft and the water has dried completely, then your gizzards are ready. Serve on a plate and you can eat along with rice, ugali or anything you prefer and enjoy your gizzards. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it, and if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of meat, I'll put the links in the description box, and if you have any questions you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.